This is the Raspberry Pi Pico microcontroller, which was released by Raspberry Pi Foundation back in January 2021. It is the first microcontroller from Raspberry Pi and not a single board computer for what they usually known for. In this video, we are going to see what are the main features of it and how to use it with Arduino IDE. So let's get started to see the features of this board. First, we have to see the pinout diagram of it, and it is very important because unlike most of the boards, it does not have the pin labels in the front of the board. So, totally, it has 30 GPIO pins, and 3 of them can be used for analog output, and seems all pins can be used for PWM and external interrupts. It also has communication pins like I2C, SPI, and UART. It works at 3.3 volt, not at 5 volts, which can be a problem sometimes. But if we compare it with Arduino Nano, it's not behind. The major difference is that it has a big memory and fast speed. To use it with Arduino IDE, go to Files, then Preferences, and then paste the link of the description box below. Then install it. Select the board and port, and you can code it with Arduino IDE. Now, I want to run some basic codes in it. Here it is, digital write. Here it's digital read and write. It's PWM output. And I also tried analog read. And the serial monitor works also fine. So that's all for this video. Please subscribe my channel. And if you like this video, then press the like button. Thanks.